Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Kendall and I am the Product Manager at Asa Abloy Opening Solutions Australia. Today I am pleased to introduce the new ML55 Series Digital Camlock, bringing new and updated features suitable for cabinet and locker applications. The ML55 Series Digital Camlock is a convenient alternative to mechanical cabinets and lockers installed in gyms, public leisure centres, offices and more. In public facility applications that may have high traffic lockers only used for a day period, the ML55 series now has the new real-time clock feature that unlocks the lock at the end of the day based on the predetermined time set up by the master user. This now avoids the need to go around at the end of the day and ensure all locks are unlocked, saving time for our customers. The ML55 Series Digital Camlock continues to provide safety, security and convenience in many commercial applications. Customers can manage their cabinet lock in various ways depending on the type of application. With the technician code, cleaners and trades can have their own codes to the lockers set up when requiring access to provide a maintenance service. The product design has also improved with handle position detection and increased overload protection, allowing for an improved user experience, avoiding users accidentally entering the PIN code when in the unlocked position. The launch of the ML55 series will mean our current ML51 series will be phased out. This includes the horizontal, vertical keypad and the RFID versions. This allows us to continue to provide new innovative products to our customers. For more information, you can visit our Asa Abloy Opening Solutions webpage or contact our local team and add the ML55 Digital Camlock to your next project.